Hey guys, today I'll show you how I made this sticker kit for my planner. Since it's the month of February, I decided to go with a love theme for this sticker kit, and I'm going to use it to decorate my weekly and monthly planner spreads. To make the sticker kit, I'm using Procreate. I made a blank page and now I'm just selecting the color theme that I want to go with. I found this one online, but you can also create your own. To make the sketch, I'm going to use the 6B pencil and I'm going to do it on a new layer that I'm going to label sketch. So if you can, make sure to label your layers or it's just gonna get way more complicated later on. The idea behind this kit was to make something with like cozy vibes but still make it appropriate for Valentine's Day. I don't make a new sticker kit every month, although it is definitely something I'm going to try to do this year. I think it just makes your planner even that more special and you're just gonna love flipping through your old pages when the year is done. The next step after you make your sketch is to make a new layer on top, and this is going to be your outline layer. To do this, I'm using a free brush called Studio Pen. I'm outlining so that I can make everything look nice and crisp, and I can correct any mistakes that I've made in the sketch. It's not perfect, but that's actually why I like making the stickers for myself. Now that that's done, we can start adding colors from our palette. To do this, click on the outline layer and make it a reference layer. This way you'll just be able to click on the colors and drag it into the shape. To finish everything off, I'm adding some final details. To add shadows or highlights, I created a new layer called Highlights and I set it as linear light. I followed the tutorial to do this and I will make sure to link it in the description. Now that my stickers are done, I saved them as a PNG file and cropped them. Then I opened my planner and I opened the cropped stickers in the split screen. I'm starting on the monthly calendar by writing down all of my important dates, and then I will go in and decorate with the stickers. To add the stickers from the split screen, I select the sticker with the lasso tool and then I hold and drag over. If you're new to digital stickers and digital planning, I have a really in-depth tutorial that you can watch to get started. Before I go into the first weekly page, I'm going to add a monthly goals page after the calendar as well as a workouts page. I'm simply pasting the pages from the included templates that came with this planner. And this is my favorite part because my weekly layouts are what I actually use the most, so decorating these feels really special. When I'm done with the stickers, I can go ahead and write down everything that I have to do this week. The final page I'm doing for now is the workout planner, so I'm just gonna think and I'm going to plan out all of my workouts for the month. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at $1,000,000habit. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!